Today we'll be talking about why most of our ads bring in clicks but not sales. If you have been watching me for a while now, you will know that my name is Herbert and I talk about meta ads and how we can make the best result using meta ads to improve our businesses or anything that at all that we want to promote. If this is the first time you are seeing me, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell. Today we'll be talking about why sales may not be gotten from our ads, but sometimes we attract clicks. First thing that you must note when we are running an ad is that what we optimize for is what Meta gives us. Now, when you are running an ad, you'll be given the opportunity to choose the best objective that suits whatever you are doing. So at this point, what you choose is what Meta will help you get. So if you intend to choose traffic, Meta will help you drive traffic to that landing page or to that product that you are promoting. And these are things that translate into just clicks that we see on our dashboard. Most of the traffic that we invite, what that means is that we are actually sending our product in front of those that can be able to click on it and check it out. So that's why when you run an ad using the traffic objective, you don't normally get the sales that you are looking for. The same way, if you optimize for engagement, you get people liking, commenting, and also sharing your videos. Whilst we are talking about engagement, although engagement gives all these things, engagement can still give you sales because it gives you the opportunity to choose either messaging destination or to choose website or any other conversion place where you want to drive your leads through. The same also works with sales. When you choose the sales objective, you are telling Meta that he should put your product in front of those that are likely to buy your product, and that's what Meta will help you do. So the first place or the first reason why you get whatever you are getting is because of the objective that you are optimizing for. If you can learn to use the right objective to run your meta ads, I can assure you that you will still be getting the best result for your ad, and then you stop complaining about meta ad not bringing in good results for your business. The second reason why your ad may be bringing in clicks but not sales is that most of ads follow clicks, but clicks doesn't bring buyers. Now, a lot of people are online and the reason why they click on our ad is through curiosity. Maybe they have seen your ad and one thing that you're talking about is a challenge that they are facing, right? So because they are facing a challenge, they will click on that ad to know what you can be able to help them with. That's curiosity, and that's the reason why most people click on our ad. Right now, if you are running an ad in the tech industry, it's likely that somebody like me will click on it because I want to know what is going on. I hope you understand. So these are things that we must understand. Our clients, our people online act through curiosity, not necessarily through buying intent. So it's better you understand this and better concentrate on things that will bring you sales, not clicks. Clicks also mean lower buying intent because they are just clicking. Most of them don't have intention to buy your product. So it is better you use an objective that will help you rather get conversion, not yet click. Although clicks may look very cheaper, yes, if you run a click ad and then you also run a conversion ad, you know that click ads are very cheap, but that doesn't guarantee you using click ads because you will not get the best result for your business. It's better you invest into things that will bring you better results, and things that bring better results almost every time cost higher than what is in the market averagely. Understanding these things will give you the right information to choosing what best you want to achieve. Now, the third thing about choosing clicks is that when you choose clicks, higher click-through rate doesn't mean that your ad will get revenue. All it means is that your ad is attractive. If people can click through your ad, meaning yes, your creatives are very good or your messaging is very good. That's one thing it means to say that your ads are attractive, right? So if you are running an ad and you have a higher click-through rate, it just means that your creatives are good, but that doesn't translate into sales. So using a good creative, just use the right objective so that you can be able to optimize your ad for the best result that you are looking for. The reason why you may be running an ad that is only bringing in clicks but not sales is if you are having a very weak offer. Now, offer comes in a lot of ways, but the first one I'll talk about is that if you have a bad offer, meaning you don't have any agency, If somebody sees your ad or after clicking on your ad is not able to feel agency in form of scarcity, in form of limited slot, then the person will not be able to take action. That's why it's good to set deadlines when people want to run ads with you, right? Set them deadline. If they can be able to take the offer within this day, they offer like this, right? That helps you to get the best result for your ad. Make sure that you are able to give them an offer that makes them to take action. Else you not get a lot of them taking action, which means that your budget on ads will be wasted. Now the second thing and the offer is that an offer should be solving a problem. Let the people know what you are actually solving. If you are solving a problem of toothache, and let the people understand that this is the problem that you are solving and this is why they need to get your product. If the person doesn't know the reason why he or she needs to get that product that you are selling, it's just like you want the person to throw money away. Nobody buys clothes just because it's clothes. Everybody buys clothes so that he or she can wear it, look good, and be accepted in the society he or she finds himself. Nobody buy Gucci because it's Gucci. We buy Gucci because of a reason. I hope you understand. So let the person know the reason why he or she should get your product that you are promoting or the service that you want to render, and then you get the best result for your ad. The third thing and the offer is if you are having a weak call to action, you will not be able to convert a lot of people. Now, one thing that makes ad get results from ad is if you're able to tell our audiences what we want them to do. You are running an ad, you can tell your audience, if you are interested in this, click on this, go to this landing page and access whatever you are talking about. Without a clear call to action, it's like you are running an ad that is not giving your audience direction. You must be able to direct your audience to the action that you want them to take for you. And these are things that will help you as a business owner get the best result for any ad at all that you are running. If you can be able to put this thing in place, you can be able to get the best results for your ad. Before we move to the fourth point, if you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Just take 5 seconds of your time and click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. I create content that educate business owners on how they can be able to run effective meta ads that will bring them results. So what are you waiting for? If you are not yet done that, okay, that's your problem. Maybe the content is not valuable to you. Now, ad may not be delivering or bringing in sales if you have a broken funnel. Broken funnel just means that the stages through which you have taken your client through. If you have been following me for a while now, you will know that I've created a content that talks about the stages that our client pass through. You can go and check it out in the videos after just watching this one. Check it out to know the stages that your client pass through. It will give you enough information on what to do so that you can get the best result for your ad. But talking about that, if you have a website that is functioning very slowly, it's likely that you will not be getting the best result. Now, if you are using a website, whether through coding or without coding, right, your website must be able to load. If it takes more than 10 seconds for people to access your website, then what you are doing is that you are rather sucking the people from taking the action that you want them to do. So before you run an ad with a website or with a pixel, make sure that you are able to test the fastness of that web page loading on your smartphone and also on your PC. Yes, on your smartphone will be very important because most of the people online are using their smartphone to browse more than their PCs. So whilst you test with your PC, make sure that you also test with the smartphone that you are using so that you get the best result for any product or service at all that you are promoting. The second reason under funnel is when you are having a very confusing landing page. A lot of us design landing pages that are not clear and offering one thing. These are some of the characteristics of a landing page, and any landing page at all that you want to create must have these. It must have one message, one offer, and then one clear call to action. Yes, the call to action, you may put them at various sections of the landing page, but make sure that they are all talking about one thing. Now, most of us run ads using landing pages, and that the information in the ad itself is not what you find in the landing page. If you do that, you are just throwing the people away, just like telling the person that if he comes to this place, he will find oranges and buy. And then when the person walks to the place, instead of seeing oranges, the person is seeing banana. Yes, they are all fruits, but that's not what you promise the person. Because of that, you see a lot more people that don't like bananas running away from whatever you are promising. So when you have a landing page, make sure that the same information you are delivering in the ad is the same experience that people are having on your landing page. Because if you don't do that, you are rather sucking the people and you'll be wasting money on ads. If your landing page is broken, it's not always about something inside, but it can also be about you not being able to retarget the people to come to that landing page. Now, a lot of people don't buy the first time that they see you. Somebody didn't view this content because this is the first time he is seeing me. He is actually spending his time to view this content because he has seen a couple of my videos and he is familiar with me. So the same way, when you are selling a product, you should make sure that you bring people back to that landing page or that product that you are selling. This works whether you are running a direct WhatsApp ad, you are running a direct lead ad where you are taking people's details, or you are running a direct website ad, right? It always, if you can bring back the people to the landing page which they have come before, it is highly possible that they'll be able to take action, because that's not the first time that they have seen you. First, be able to optimize for the right objective. Secondly, understand that clicks don't mean buyers. You must be able to do things that will make these clicks turn into sales. Thirdly, if your offer is not strong, make sure that you put measures in place to create a good, compelling offer that will make people insane just to ignore it, right? And fourthly, make sure that you fix any breakages in your funnel that will cost you a lot more sales. I am Herbert. I talk about meta ads and how we can be able to use it to increase our sales and visibility. If this is the first time you are seeing me or you have been consuming my content for a long period of time, don't forget to subscribe to support the community. See you in the next one.